college, hindi ko alam kung anong pag-aaralan ko. But when I was second year, narinig ko merong bagong program, social work. Nag-enroll ako. I like it. Kalamihan ng subjects ko, well, yun nga, mahina ako sa numbers, statistics, math, physics. Pero puro social science. I was very good in psychology, sociology, anthropology, social science. Lahat yan, I enjoyed it. And then nag-field work ako. Nag-field work ko sa DSWD, NCR. Nag-field work ko sa PhilHealth, nag-field work ko sa Juvenile and Domestic Relations Court. And I like the work, I enjoyed it. And also, maybe because I like people. Sa pa yun, importante, I like people, I'm friendly, I'm an outgoing person. So pag social worker ka also this, develop your personality. I want you to be inspired by this. Hindi ka pwedeng social work na timid, withdrawn, very shy. Hindi pwede yun. Pag social worker ka, kailangan a little bit outgoing, expressive, you can express yourself. Kaya ang nangyayari, hindi tayo inirespeto ng ibang professions kasi yes sir ka lang ng yes sir. You know, develop your, it's not too late at any age you can continue to develop. Develop your personality, talk to people. That's the only way you can develop, di ba? Develop yourself. Tsaka baski tapos ka na, magbasa kayo. You know, ang dami na ngayon because of the cellphone, because of Google, you can learn so much. Hindi ko naman alam yung strength perspective, hindi naman tinuro sa amin yan. You know, yung mga ganyan, yung ICT, ngayon hanggang ngayon, itong katulong ko, siya nagtuturo sa akin. Pag nag-blackout yung cube, Karil, alika, namatay yung hindi ko nang gagawin ko. But I'm trying to learn because pag hindi mapag-iwanan ako ng panahon, so I learn. Diba? So develop yourself and your personality. Hindi ka pwedeng mahiyain kung social worker ka. Hindi pwedeng timid ka. Hindi pwedeng meron kang feeling ng inferiority complex. You know, pag may-license ka na, you're a professional. You know, and continue, keep on studying. Aral kayo, basa kayo, be updated. Diba? Yung mga tinuro ng teacher ko, wala na akong naalala doon. What I now teach, what are in the book, many of those things except yung mga history, hindi ko natutunan yan when I was going to school. So you learn that along the way. Matutunan ka, you have to redevelop yourself.
Kaya pala si Kura, ma'am, estudyante mo pala ay